What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Myntri badang syajit thamai bad MLA ke NPP na duwai uba Wailadmiki Shylla haga kan real trek nailur ulaong bagi paidbah ke constituency jong u kila duwai na kabenta jong u ba unyo ya ke shuki haga kynhun Myntri. Haba keli halur kabenta jong usembut Myntri rangba ke jela uba senga bhalang dhar halur ke jing syajit ke jong u hapo ke kynhun Myntri uba Wailadmiki ula kentaj ya kini kubor hamsaya da kebaong ngam tharai na marka ni kamde ka sin ka baningkong na kabenta jonga bat kani ka de ka samoy ka baar jonga kum MLA pilayu ihi daladi wat ki badang ningkong ru kilayo ya kalan uba Wailadmiki ulapan pau baka jingyo shuki Myntri ka de ka jingpho sniu na kabenta wei pa wei nong thau an bat na kalyang ki dong shong shnong ka juwa constituency kila khmi lenti ya ka jingyo mi khman haga kynhun Myntri. Kani ka de ka jingpho sniu jong wei pa wei unong thau an bahaba ya aireng kwa banlong Myntri bat khamtam ki beriu jonga kila khmi lenti bha bat ka juwai kum ka district headquarter habaro kini kisnam pilai I ba ka de ka bala mi khmat da Myntri ka de ka jing duwai jong ginong shong shnong ka juwai constituency ula banram hadin bala dap ka jingalang pen bam smai haba kali halur ka thong ba hakmat e jong u uba Wailadmiki ula ong ba ka jing plek jingmut ba kong san jong u kalong halur ki mat ki paya day bat ki samla Henry ki jing thmu bakong san jong u kan shong halur ka bha bala benshet na ka benta jong u da Myntri rangba ka jela kumba kalong menta ka jing thmu bakong san jonga kum unong thau an ubadang kham samla kalong man phai khmat shaki samla Henry ka taru ka shong ha Myntri rangba ka e ka kam ka ba un benshet hanga nang tangan la ban bu ya ka thong ka jonga kat kum ka tanan ka ba un benshet hanga ulaong.
As a young legislator, obviously my main focus will be youth only. But that also will depend on Chief Minister that what portfolio he will be giving me. Then only I can set my priority according to the department which he will be giving. As of now, because CM sir has said that everything will be come clear after the swearing in only. So as of now, I cannot say anything. That is the prerogative of Honorable Chief Minister. No, I don't think so. Because if you see that this is not my first time, this is my second time. And I hope you have seen yourself that even the first timer are getting the chance. So I think I have waited quite a long time. And even I think this is the dream of every legislator that when he contests, he want to be a minister. And especially his electorate. So my people were quite expecting, and Duwai being the district headquarter, and all this past year that you yourself have seen that it was represented by the minister. So it is. I think it is the prayer of my beloved people of Duwai constituency.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.